Hi there, lovely learners of Heroes International School. My name is Rudolph Kafi Tulasikpami Chombotokumbo. I will be your maths facilitator for today, Basic 5. Welcome to my class. Let's learn and have fun. And now for our topic for today, we'll be looking at algebraic expressions and we'll be looking at how to group items. But before we do that, we will first have to look at how to find out whether this particular term is the same as that particular term. Alright, so we'll be taking some word examples on the board and I'll demonstrate to you how to group like terms. But before we look at that, we need to first take a look at how terms are formed. Now, terms are separated by two major operations, which are addition and subtraction. Join me on the board as we take these examples. Perfect. Now, this brings us to a set of word examples. So, with the first example, we have 2x and x. We want to determine whether they are like terms. Now, bear in mind that all the two examples over here have to do with variables, and then the other two examples over here also has to do with powers. Right, so let's take the first example. We have 2x and x. If you take the first term, you realize that x is over here. And then when you take the second term also, we have another x over there. So x appearing in both of them makes them like terms. So we can write under it that they are like terms, since x is common for the two. Then when we move on to the second one, we have 3x and y. X is over here, x isn't here. Y is here, y is not here. So we end up saying that x is not common for both terms, y is also not common for both terms, which makes them not like terms. So you can write not like terms. And to our third examples, which has to do with powers or exponents. Now, we have 3x raised to the power 2. Someone can also decide to say 3x squared and x squared. With the powers, we want to make sure that they are all the same. If we have x squared over here and x squared also over here, meaning that x is raised to the power 2 here, x is also raised to the power 2 over there. It makes them like terms. And to our final example for this section, we have 2x squared y and xy. Clearly shown, x is raised to the power 2 over here, but x is raised to the power 1 over here. Now, y is also on its own, y is on its own, which means that the powers of x are not common, and the powers of y is only the powers of y that are common. So we say they are not like terms. Alright, learners, let's determine whether or not the following terms are like terms. Do them in the comfort of your homes. We have number 1 as 3x squared and 4x squared. Number 2, x squared y and xy squared. Number 3, 8yz and 4zy. Number 4, 6xy squared and 3x squared y. Number 5, 7ab and ab squared. Number 6, 7x and y. Number 7, 3x squared y and 4yx squared. Number 8, 5xy and 3xy. Number 9, 4y and negative 4y. Number 10, 8w squared x and 4wx. So in summary, we said in order for terms to be like or common, then the variables are supposed to be the same. Likewise, the powers. Don't forget to do your assignments and also try to stay safe in these trying times. Always remember to wash your hands with soap under running water. And as often as possible, try to use alcohol-based sanitizers. Bye-bye!